Welcome to series classroom, Dr. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel biography. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the greatest leaders of India's freedom struggle and the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. He is known as the Iron Man of India for his strong will, leadership, and efforts to unity the country. Early life. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat. His father was Jawaharbhai Patel and his mother was Ladbai. He completed his schooling in Gujarat and later went to England to study law. After becoming a successful lawyer, he returned to India and practiced in Ahmedabad. Role in freedom struggles. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, Patel joined the freedom movement. He played an important role in the non-cooperation movement, the civil disobedience movement, and the Quit India movement. He led several farmers' movements such as the Bardoli Satyagraha, which earned him the title Sardar, meaning leader. Contributions to independent India. After India gained independence in 1947, Sardar Patel became the Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister. His greatest contribution was the integration of more than 560 princely states into one united India. His efforts ensured that India remained one strong nation. Death and legacy. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel passed away on 15th December 1950. In his memory, the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, was built in Gujarat. Consultation. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel will always be remembered for his patriotism, courage, and vision. He was truly the architect of united India and remains an inspiration to every Indian. For more videos, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like it, and share to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.